Hello world! Today we are going to learn how to install Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a free and versatile code editor created by Microsoft. It works on different computer systems like Windows, Mac, and Linux. Here are the main features. Code editing. Visual Studio Code has a user-friendly editor that helps you write and edit code easily. It highlights code in different colors, provides suggestions while you type, and helps you organize your code. It works everywhere. Works on various operating systems, which means you can use it on your computer. Extensions. Visual Studio Code is customizable with additional tools called extensions. These extensions can help you with specific programming languages or add other valuable features to the editor. Built-in terminal. It has a window to type and run commands, which is helpful if you need to run a program or test your code. Debugging. Visual Studio Code has a built-in tool for finding and fixing mistakes in your code, also known as bugs. It helps you step through your code and see what is happening at each step. Git integration. It works well with Git, a popular version control system. This allows you to manage changes in your code, track different versions, and work on code with others. Tasks. You can automate repetitive tasks in Visual Studio Code, like building your code or running tests, saving time and making your workflow more efficient. Collaboration. With the Live Share feature, you can invite others to work on your code in real time, which promotes collaboration on projects, sharing ideas, and learning from each other. Visual Studio Code is popular among developers because it is lightweight, customizable, and has many valuable features. An everyday use for this program is web development and various other programming tasks. In this course, we will use it to help create ARM templates. Next, we're going to install Visual Studio Code. Navigate to code.visualstudio.com. Select the caret next to Download for Windows in the center of the screen and click your operating system. When the File Explorer opens, select a location to save the downloaded file. Open the executable for Visual Studio's code from the browser or location you saved the file. Read through the EULA. If you agree with the terms, click the radio button next to I accept the agreement. Choose Next. Follow the prompts and select Install. After the installation is complete, select Finish. Choose your theme. Select File, New Text File to begin using Visual Studio Code. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.